Word on the Street. I'm Marcos Rivera, and today I want to talk about AI pricing. Yes, and this is a big thing that's been going on for quite some time. AI was really pushed out into the marketplace last year. Everybody was picking it up, adopting it, being wowed by it. But the truth is, you got to make money if you're going to be pushing AI out there. In this marketplace today, in 2024, you're going to see a lot of AI moving from what I call play AI to may I. And the big point behind that really is just that you now have to justify the cost of AI into your company. And you, as a producer of AI, have to make some money off of it because it's not cheap. You got to run that computing processing somehow. I'm going to go through 3 quick examples of AI pricing, and I'm going to tell you which one I think has nailed the right model. So first, you think about Photoshop. Yes, Adobe Photoshop has really been pushing their Firefly, their generative AI, for over a year now. It was in beta, it came out. And the key thing behind this is that they're really sticking with the credits model. Okay, so they include some free credits. If you use them, great. And if you use more, well, then you got to pay for more. And that's a very consumption-based approach that a lot of AI companies are taking. And so this is a really, I think, good balanced way to give them a taste, but also for those that want a lot more, will end up paying a lot more. But you also have to worry about the predictability issue, because if somebody goes crazy in using a lot of AI, that consumption can get out of whack. The second company is Notion. And Notion has been really smart about their AI. They incorporated it into their tool, very useful, very productive. And Notion AI then decided to charge $10 per user. Their normal model is per user, which can be $8, $10, $15 a month. And so if you think about annualized, right, $100 a year for Notion, if you slap on the AI, you're now doubling your price. They want to charge $10 a month, $8 a month for AI. So when you think about this, it's like, ooh, do I really want to charge or pay double for AI than what I'm paying today? Is it really going to double my productivity? Maybe it is. But the key is they're using an open add-on approach. Any plan can tack on this additional $8 or $10 a month AI, depending if you sign up monthly or annual. The third one here is Google with their Duet AI, and even Microsoft Office to an extent. If you think about what they're doing, is they're charging also by the user, just like Notion, but then they're only reserving that for their upper tier, like enterprise, big business plans. Okay, so they are offering it as an add-on per user, but they are a closed model versus Notion, which is open. So anybody can tack it on, but in Microsoft and Google, only the higher end plans can tack it on. Why would they do something like that? I think the point is because AI is so expensive, they really want to test these use cases, and they know that the willingness to pay for this type of stuff and the impact of AI is going to be much more pronounced in those upper tiers. So they're basically stepping down into the market, starting from the top end. Let's nail down which features make sense, which use cases make sense to tack on AI, and then we're going to go ahead and step this down the marketplace. So which one is the best model or to win out? Well, it depends on your goal, right? But the way I look at it, I like Photoshop's model. I think that the consumption taste that you give them some free credits included and then allow them to consume more and do more is the right approach. I also think that Notion is a great move in trying to make it open for everyone, trying to get more access in there. But here's the thing. I think with folks using Notion, some of them are going to really push back at that almost doubling of price for the AI piece. You're almost going to have to now sit down and pencil out, how much is this AI really helping me? And is it worth paying double? I mean, think about folks with 10, 20 users on Notion, that can add up really quick. And then for Google and for Microsoft, you know what? Walking down the market takes patience, takes money. These guys have patience and money, so they can do that, right? They want to go ahead and start mining for those proper use cases. What they're going to end up doing, I think, is start introducing other payment plans and models for their AI. So you're going to start with a super simple, hey, let's just tack on $30 a user, and let's start from there. Let's see who buys it. Let's see what they do with it. And then from there, expand on down. I think ultimately their AI tools will be for everybody, just not yet. Okay, that's my quick assessment on AI pricing and what I'm seeing so far. I hope you can use it to stop guessing and start growing. Until next time. And that's the word on the street. If you want more of these videos, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.